Hello everyone. Welcome back to Machines Visit. But before we begin, here's something most people have no idea about. Every single year, American farmers produce over 1.2 billion pounds of pumpkins. Yeah, billion. And what's even more surprising, most of those pumpkins go through a journey you've probably never seen before. From the outside, pumpkins look simple, bright orange, round, almost decorative. We carve them, cook them, and celebrate with them. But behind that calm, festive image, there's an intense, highly engineered process that turns fragile crops into a massive industry. And it all starts in the fields. These pumpkins aren't just grown. They're carefully raised, monitored, and protected like seasonal assets. Because one mistake, one wrong move, and an entire harvest can be lost. From the skilled hands of farmers to powerful modern machines working with extreme precision, they're sent to advanced processing facilities, where things get even more interesting. Because at that stage, pumpkins are no longer just crops. They become products. Products that will end up at your dinner table or glowing outside someone's home on Halloween night. So today we're going deep inside this process, a world where agriculture meets technology, where efficiency, speed, and precision decide everything. This is the real journey of pumpkins. And trust me, it's far more intense than you think. Let's get started now. Here's where things take a sharp turn. Because once the seeds enter the system, there's no room for error. This isn't simple sorting anymore. This is precision at a microscopic level. Using advanced laser technology, every single seed is scanned in real time. Its size, its color, even the slightest imperfection in its shape is detected instantly. And here's the brutal part. If a seed is hollow, cracked, or even slightly discolored, it's rejected immediately. No second chances. Only the best survive this stage. Because one bad batch could ruin the quality of thousands of products. Once the top quality seeds are selected, they move forward. But the process is far from over. Next comes drying. The seeds are placed inside massive industrial dryers, where temperatures are controlled with extreme accuracy. Why? Because even a small mistake here can destroy their value. The moisture level has to stay within a very tight range, just 6 to 8%. Too dry? They lose nutrients. Too moist? They spoil. There's no margin for error. And then comes one of the most critical and surprisingly controversial stages, oil extraction. Instead of using chemicals like many industries do, this system relies on a modern screw press machine. Crushes the seeds slowly, mechanically, extracting every drop of oil without damaging its natural properties. This isn't just oil. It's packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants, making it one of the most valued oils in health-focused markets. But here's what most people don't realize. Nothing goes to waste. The leftover material, known as seed cake, isn't thrown away. It's reused as nutrient-rich animal feed. A perfect example of a circular system, where every output becomes a new resource, efficient, sustainable, profitable. And once the seeds are fully processed, they're packed into massive industrial bags. From there, they're shipped out, either to the next facility or directly to international markets. And just like that, something that started as a simple seed becomes part of a global supply chain. But pumpkins aren't just about industry. They're deeply connected to culture. Every year, this single crop generates nearly $2 billion. From food products like soups and pies, to decorative pumpkins that dominate the fall season. And during Halloween, everything changes. Pumpkins transform into glowing jack-o'-lanterns, lighting up homes and streets, becoming symbols of celebration, mystery, and tradition. And when Thanksgiving arrives, pumpkin pie takes center stage, bringing families together around the table. But here's something almost unbelievable. In 2023, in Minnesota, a pumpkin weighing 2,749 pounds was grown. Yes, nearly the size of a small car. A reminder of just how extraordinary this crop can be. But none of this happens by accident. Long before harvest season begins, farmers are already preparing. In early spring, the soil is carefully treated using modern plowing machines, breaking up hard ground, removing weeds, and adding organic nutrients. Because if the foundation isn't perfect, nothing else will be. Then, in late spring, specialized planting machines step in, placing each seed with precision. And from that tiny beginning, a transformation begins. Seeds sprout into fragile green shoots. Flowers bloom under the watch of bees and wind. And slowly, those small beginnings grow into vibrant, full pumpkins. A process that looks peaceful on the surface, but behind it, it's a system driven by timing, pressure, and precision. So now you've seen the full picture, how billions of pounds of pumpkins are grown, processed, and transformed to meet a massive global demand. From farms, to factories, to your table. And honestly, it's far more complex than most people ever imagine. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you found this interesting, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden world of modern agriculture. We'll see you in the next one. Rock it!